morning.
Good morning, Horace. Good morning to you, Annie.
Good morning.
Hurry up, Annie, hurry up. We've got to get cleaned up for Christmas. Hurry up.
Yeah. My, what a beautiful Christmas tree. Sweep, 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 sweep.
Oh, out of my way, bird. Gotta get cleaned up for Christmas. I can't wait for my Christmas stocking.
There. Horace, hang your stocking up. You're always the last one.
Don't rush me. Don't push me. Santa Claus is not in the chimney.
What's the use? We animals don't have a Santa Claus.
Well, why don't we have a Santa Claus?
I don't know. Santa Claus is only for children. There is no Santa for animals. That's right, Annie. Let's do something about it. We must make a plan. We must send someone to see Santa Claus.
But who shall we send?
Kitty Cat, she's smart. Besides, she's beautiful, too.
Oh, let me go with you, Kitty.
Annie and Kitty, that's a good choice.
Well, we must hurry. It's
Get
getting
my
late.
muffler, hurry,
Hurry.
Goodbye, Horace dear.
Goodbye, Annie.
Goodbye, Phyllis.
Goodbye, Kitty Cat.
Take care of yourself.
We'll be back soon.
Don't get lost.
And don't catch cold. We'll be thinking of you and waiting for you at home. How big is Santa Claus anyway?
Oh, very big, enormous.
Oh, is our chimney big enough for him?
Well, why don't you look inside and see?
All right, I will.
Well, how is it?
Oh, it's kind of small way up on top.
What shall we do about it?
Well, I
Oh, Felix, look out, the chimney's falling down, Felix, the chimney's falling down, oh, Felix.
Oh,
Felix, my poor Felix.
oh,
Speak to me, Felix, speak to me. Are you hurt, Felix?
Hurt? Of course not. Just out of breath from blowing the snow out of our chimney.
I'm so tired. My paws ache. My whiskers are freezing. Is it much further?
Courage, Kitty, courage. Be a brave cat.
Do you see anything, Annie?
Yes, yes.
Oh, my. I'm so tired. My good meow. Is it much further?
It's just past the iceberg.
Felix, look at the time. It's getting late.
Oh, where are they? Where are they?
It's such a dark, cold night.
Hurry, Kitty, hurry. Here's Santa. I told you he was just around the corner. He's just filled up his big pack. Oh, hurry, Kitty. Hello, Mr. Santa Claus.
Hello, Mr. Santa Claus.
Welcome, my animal friend.
Oh, sir, there is no Santa for animals.
That's right, sir. No animal Santa.
I know. That's why you came to see me. Now, Kitty Cat, you can be my animal Santa.
Kitty Cat?
Me, sir?
Why, of course. I've often worried about animals at Christmas time, but I've been so busy with children. Now, Kitty Cat, you can represent me for all animals.
My, what a beautiful costume.
Yes, it sure is. Now you put it on.
Oh, thank you, Annie. Thank you.
That's right.
Oh, Kitty, that hat looks so nice on you.
Now you're a real animal Santa.
Goodbye, Kitty. Goodbye, Santa Claus.
Goodbye, Mr. Santa Claus.
Now here's your pack over here. Remember, give all the animals a present.
Oh, this is wonderful. I'll remember everyone.
It's Annie. Oh, she's back.
Oh, let them inside where it's warm.
Sure, come
Oh,
on
Annie,
in.
tell us all about
Oh,
it.
where's Kitty Cat?
Where is Kitty Cat,
Come
Annie?
on in.
Well, aren't you going to tell us, Annie?
Well,
Come on now, Annie, tell us. Tell us
Well.
all about it.
Santa Claus is coming. You'll have your own Santa Claus.
Merry Christmas to everybody.
Merry Christmas, Santa Claus.
Merry Christmas.
Here's a present for you, Annie.
Thank you, Mr. Santa Claus.
And one for you, Horace.
Oh, thank you, Santa.
And for you, Felix.
What's this? A tail?
Yeah.
That's Kitty's tail.
You're not Santa, you're Kitty Cat. But don't worry, I've a present for you. It's a mouse.
Oh, no, Horace. Not on Christmas.
Oh, no?
No.
Oh, my whiskers!
Here, Mousy, here's a piece of cheese for you. And a Merry Christmas to you. Why, here's Santa Claus himself. He'll tell you I'm the animal Santa.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Please, Santa, tell them what you said.
Kitty Cat is official Santa Claus for animals, always. Well, Merry Christmas and goodbye, good animals.
Merry Christmas to you, Mr.
Thank you
Santa
for the
Claus, and
present.
thank you very much for the present. Yes.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh, I'm sorry. I was such a stupid doggy. Felix, let's sing your Christmas song.
Yeah.
You begin it.
There's Santa Claus for you.
There's Santa Claus for me.
With Santa now for animals,
We're happy as can be. We wish you each and every one loads and loads of Christmas fun. Merry
Christmas.
Every
Party.